Hi and welcome to my tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you the easiest Rubik's Cube solution in just 7 minutes in 7 easy steps. Let's have a look at the Rubik's Cube. It has edge pieces with 2 stickers, corners with 3 stickers and a centerpiece on each face. As you can see, the centerpiece is never changed while I'm turning the faces. So the color of the center stickers will determine the color of each face when solved. The cube has 6 faces and we're going to mark them with the initials of their names. Front, back, left, right, up and down. When I say R, that means a clockwise rotation on the right face. Inverse rotations are marked with a prime sign and double turns are marked with 2. We are ready to solve the cube. In the first step, we have to solve the white edges. They'll have to match the colors of the side centers, so the example on the right is not a correct solution. Find the white edge in the bottom layer and bring it under the spot where it's supposed to be. The white stickers can be facing down or to the front. When it's facing down, simply make a double front rotation. When it's facing front, do the following. Front inverted, right inverted, down inverted, right, double front. When there's no white edge in the bottom layer, we can bring it there. When the piece is in the middle layer, then hold the cube with the edge in the marked position and do right inverted, down inverted, right. You already know how to solve it when it's in the bottom layer. When it's in the top layer, just double rotate that face to send it to the bottom layer. Go through each white edge and when they are all done, we can go on to solve the white corners. We're going to use a trick to solve the corners. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. This algorithm swaps the 2 highlighted pieces, changing their orientation in each step. Move a white corner below the spot where you want to insert it and repeat right inverted, down inverted, right, down until the white sticker is facing up in the top layer. Use the same moves to take a corner out from an incorrect position. Align the cube and do the trick once. Now you can insert it easily from the bottom layer, repeating the algorithm. When the white face is complete, we can turn the cube upside down. We are going to use 2 algorithms to solve the second layer. One of them sends the highlighted piece in the top layer to the left, the other one sends it to the right. The left algorithm: up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. The right algorithm: up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Use the same algorithms when an edge is in the middle layer, but not where it's supposed to be. I'm doing a right algorithm to take the edge out, then I can put it back from the top layer. When all edges are solved in the middle layer, you should still have an intact white face. In the next step, we make a yellow cross on the top of the cube. Check the yellow edges. You will see either a dot, an L shape, a line, or a cross. We want to reach the cross and we have an algorithm to transform from one pattern to the next. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Make sure that the L shape is oriented correctly before you execute the moves. When the yellow stickers on the top are pointing to the back and left, you can do the sequence. The line shape is horizontal, so we can go ahead and do it one more time to reach the cross. Now we have to organize the yellow edges to match the side stickers. Turn the up face and try to find matching colors. If there are 2 matching sides, then hold the cube with the wrong pieces on the front and the left. Use this algorithm to swap the 2 highlighted edges. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, double up, right inverted, up. Sometimes you'll find the matching pieces on the opposite sides of the cube. In this case, we have to use the same algorithm twice. Do the algorithm. Find 2 matching edges. Align the cube. Do this sequence again. Only the yellow corners are left to finish the Rubik's Cube. First, we have to put them in the correct position and we'll orient them in the next step. Rotate the puzzle and try to find the piece that's where it's supposed to be. Hold the cube with this piece in the front right up position and do the moves. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Repeat the same if the pieces don't come to their destinations at first. When you can't find any corner in the correct position, just do the steps once and check the colors again. You must remember the right inverted, right down algorithm. Now we use the same to orient the yellow corners in this final step. Now listen carefully. Hold the cube with the wrong yellow corner on the front right up position. Repeat right inverted, right down until the yellow sticker is facing up. Rotate the top face to bring another misaligned yellow corner to the front right up position. Do the moves until the yellow sticker is facing up. Turn the up layer to finish the cube. Here's another example when all corners are wrong. Do the moves. Bring another piece. Do the moves. Bring another piece. Do the moves again. Bring another piece. Do the moves. Finish the cube. Congratulations, you have completed your Rubik's Cube. Visit the website to find the used algorithms and more examples in one place. Try the online Rubik's Cube solver to calculate the solution in just 20 steps. Browse the Rubik's Cube wiki to read interesting articles about twisty puzzles. Thank you for watching and happy cubing!